Hello and welcome to our presentation of the virtual personal assistants Siri and Alexa by Saad and Brianna. Siri is an acronym short for Speech Interpretation and Recognition Interface. This intelligent personal assistant began as an app for iOS in 2010, but was quickly adopted by Apple in October of 2011. Beginning with the iPhone 4S, all Apple devices since 2011 incorporated Siri into their software. Using natural language processing software, Siri can hear a command, process it, and initiate a response or action. For example, a user initiates a conversation with Siri by saying, "Hey Siri." Once activated, but no input is offered by the user, Siri brings up suggestions. The user can then say, "Call Brian," from which Siri will register the command and initiate a call to Brian. Alexa is a brand of smart speakers that was developed in November of 2014 by Amazon.com. Amazon devices can connect to the voice-controlled intelligent personal assistant services, Alexa, to communicate with the users. When Siri has been activated, she verbally states, "What can I help you with today?" as well as pulls up this statement on the device. As I mentioned before, if she is left unanswered, a list of possible actions is pulled up. The list of tasks both Siri and Alexa can do are generally the same. Both can answer questions, play music, schedule appointments, and much more. Recently, the developer of Alexa added two new features that Siri was already capable of, which is video call and voice message. Like any information system, the data in both Siri and Alexa goes through four phases: data sensing subsystem, data transmission subsystem, information computing subsystem, and a knowledge subsystem. Alexa receives the data in four different ways: far-filed, hands-free, tap-to-talk, and push-to-talk. In the far-filed, Alexa will activate once the device senses the word "Wake Alexa." Because Siri is a voice command application, the information that is acquired by it to function consists of several different factors. First is the user's voice and prompts. Without this information to feed it, Siri's functionality makes it so she is unable to perform any searches or actions. Second, Siri has access to the information in your phone's applications. This allows the user to schedule appointments, set alarms, send text messages, etc., simply by word of mouth. Third is the information provided through web access. Using the user's input, Siri can pull up information from various websites to achieve the command. Once given a command, the request will become encrypted and it will be uploaded to the Amazon cloud servers through Wi-Fi. Very similarly, Siri is initiated by voice recognition. By a command to be recognized, the system must be able to interpret various accents, dialects, and pronunciations to have a proper input. The interface then converts your input into a data file and compares it to many other forms of the same question and matches it with the probable answer. If this is possible, you get an answer. If not, then the user will be asked if they would like to search the web for it. Because these types of interfaces also are connected to the applications within a device, it also can communicate with these applications to schedule an appointment in your calendar or call mom. The Alexa Voice Service, AVS, simplifier, will start building voice-enabled products with the help of complex automatic speech recognition, or ASR, and natural language understanding, NLU, processing in the cloud. For Siri, unfortunately, Apple is incredibly secretive about what database management systems they use. According to Perez, any first-hand knowledge of this will not likely be published. However, it seems to be evident that Apple's cloud uses NoSQL databases, which includes MongoDB, Couchbase, HBase, and Cassandra. The NoSQL website explains that the benefit of using NoSQL is the expertise in rapidly changing structures of data, which is necessary for Siri to be capable of giving the vast amounts of data she must be able to process. Alexa communicates to the user by powering a light that glows blue with a response to the user's questions. In the video call feature, Alexa will start calling the contact that the user wanted. In the voice messenger feature, Alexa's light will glow green when there are new messages waiting on the device.